If you've lost access to your Signature Bank of Arkansas account and cannot use your phone number for recovery, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the process effectively. Step 1. Visit the bank's website. Go to the official Signature Bank of Arkansas website. Look for the login section where you can access your account. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, find and click the Forgot Password link. This will direct you to the account recovery options. Step 3. Choose alternative recovery options. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Verify your identity. Follow the prompts to verify your identity. This may involve answering security questions or confirming your email address by clicking a link sent to your inbox. Step 5. Reset your password. Once your identity is verified, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password and confirm it to regain access to your account. After completing these steps, you should be able to access your Signature Bank of Arkansas account without needing your phone number. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.